The INEC National Commissioner for Anambra, Enugu and Benue States, Mr. Festus Okoye, while speaking at the event, called on House of Assembly members-elect of 30 constituencies of the state to ensure they enact laws that promote better living for their constituents and the state at large. While congratulating the members-elect for coming out victorious at the March 9 State Assembly election, Mr. Okoye said the only way they can reciprocate the honor bestowed on them is to work hard to make life meaningful for the Anambra. He frowned at some politicians and political parties who endangered lives of some INEC ad hoc staff, all because they want to win by all means, saying that the Commission plans to approach National Assembly to enact laws that would prohibit such acts in the future, saying that it has degenerated into losing competent hands that should be working for the Commission.
The Commission is planning to carry out this task without prior authority. The Nigerian people are aware of the circumstances and the issue that led to the present impasse in the state. And we are planning to reverse it, and we are confident that we will succeed.
Presenting the certificate, the Anambra State President Electoral Commissioner Dr. Awka charged elected members to increase the value of votes by living up to their campaign promises.
And for me, this certificate is embedded the mandate that we have been doing. This certificate is a symbol of the mandate that the people gave to you on the 9th of March.
The event climaxed with presentation of certificates of return to the members-elect from the INEC State Headquarters in Awka. I am Ngozi Obileri for ABS News.